Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be making a lathe tool bit holder. Now, I have a whole bunch of these tool bits that I got from Banggood, and they do come in their own sleeves, but it's such a pain in the ass just to, well, store all these and taking them in and out. I could probably save some time by lining a whole bunch of these and just picking out whatever bit that I need at the time. So, I'm going to be drilling some holes. And I'm going to be using, you could use a caliper, compass, whatever, just to space out all your holes. I'm going to go ahead and use this here. And I'm going to go ahead and use a spade bit here. So you can use a drill bit or any bit to drill the holes into wood. And the thing is, with something like this, because I don't want to work on it, over and over and screw up the holes, this is where the spacing comes into handy or into play here. By having this pre-adjusted, I could come in and pretty much stab it into the wood, which gives me my pilot holes there, so I can stick the bits into. Alright, so I've gone ahead and I've marked it off where I'm going to cut it here. I still haven't done the other side yet because I don't know if I'm going to put extra bits here, but I've gone ahead and I've done my pilot holes. Alright, so I finally finished here with my lathe tool bit holder. Now I left it unpainted because I'm not sure if I'm going to stain it or what I'm going to do with it, or just clear coat it. But it could use some additional sanding, but really all I need this is so I can make quick work out of picking out these bits that I need when I'm working on the lathe. So trying to work smarter and not harder, and not having to take these out individually out of their cases is going to save me a lot of time, and I'm going to be more focused on my projects that I'll be making. So all the bits pretty much here from Banggood. I got all my roughing, finishing, boring bars, threading, and parting tools here, so I don't have to no longer run to the drawer and see which is which and memorize numbers. I got everything all here, in front of my face here. So I did have to put this on the milling machine, and I did have to skim with the fly cutter on the top of the piece of wood, and I did have to put an end mill and kind of square up the edges here, just so it can look a little bit better. And I had to sand it all down additionally, and I did the corners here so there's no sharp edges or anything like that. So yeah, there it is, my lathe tool bit holder. I want to go ahead and thank you guys for watching my video, all my new subscribers, all the old subscribers, viewers, people coming into this channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.